or starting nung siya po ay ma-appoint, umabot po sa 13 to 14 times yung kanyang foreign trips. Correct me if I'm wrong. Although most of it were official, then if it were official, then ano-ano po yun? Yun muna po ang question ko, Madam Sponsor.
The GAA budget spent for travel in 2023 is 1.1 billion. 1.1 billion ba yan? But it includes the travel of the Office of the Secretary, including 4 staff bureaus, namely